You can see my garbage bin right over there. I filmed my last video 2 days ago, and this is the state of my garbage bin now. Remember when I said I cleaned it? That's just how it happens. Anyways, we got these 2 hauls right over here. My lazy ass is only gonna pick one of these, and I think it's this top haul right over here, this wide ass box. So let's get this thing on the table. Already got the table cleared out. Got the classic. Bro, this thing is literally broken. Like, look at that. That's very, very dangerous if you don't know already, but who gives a fuck that I only use this thing for haul unboxings at this point. I'm always scared to open these because I don't know what I'm cutting inside. Oh God, I'm seeing some good stuff already. This is a lot of denim that I'm seeing. So let's get this stuff out onto the floor. Go through these items. All right, starting off small, we got this mystery package. Open this bitch up. This isn't even a rep of anything. This is from like a Chinese brand, and this is a solid metal buckle. A lot of nice highlights. Got some actual hair, like some whatever mohair or whatever you call it. Got more metal accents on it. This belt is so nice. Just look at that thing, bro. All right, let me get in the hole. That's what she said. This is tough, bro. There we go. Look at that. This thing is absolutely stunning. Yeah, pretty basic item. On to the next. All right, next up we got this. I don't know what this is actually. Let's open this up. I still don't know what this is. Oh, I lied. So this is a pair of Rick Owens banana denim. It's the one with the zippers on it. If you ever see someone wearing these, bro, go up behind them. This probably a crime, but like, I mean, I don't know what I think when I'm like, what the fuck was I thinking buying this? I couldn't even tell you, but still a very interesting item. I've got into like the super out there Rick stuff. You probably saw my patchwork denim already. That was like 7 hauls ago. This one is not as cool looking, but it's still very out there. That is for sure. And I think this is size 32 waist or size 30, wait, 38? Oh, that's like the sizing. What's the waist size? Well, I don't know what the waist size is, but it looks like it fits. So that's good. All right, next up we got this very small item. I was gonna say, is this a bag in a bag? I just got scammed. But no, bro, this is the Vuja Dé 009 Jake T. I bought another one. There's not, oh, this is actually the 007. The difference is the material. This is fully cotton, and the color is also a little different, but other than that, these t-shirts, the best t-shirts like probably ever made. So yeah, go get them, and they're hella cheap. Noticed that the fuck ass plate was showing over there, so I got rid of it. I'm sorry guys, like all I do is fucking make video, work, go school, come back. Like I don't have time to be cleaning and shit, but I know I should be. Anyways, this was already open for some reason. This is a Vuja Dé Flannel. I love you. If you know me, you know I love Vuja Dé. I love Kenny-jima. Big fan of his videos. He kind of made me want to get into content creation, vlogging, all that. So yeah, shout out to him. Yeah, I know I'm buying reps of his clothes and just supporting him because I don't want to pay like $400 for a fuck ass shirt. Like I don't have that type of money, so you feel me? That shit's just not for me. Plus, even if I did, I don't think I'd be buying $400 shirts. I think I'd probably be sitting in a penthouse somewhere, jacking my shit. Yeah, so this like shirt, the material is really good actually. What the hell? Like, wait, feel this. That shit is like, whoa. But it's not for summer, that's for sure. This is more like a fall piece. If it's kind of windy out, if it's, you know, this will actually block all that. This is like pretty thick material, I can't lie to you. Let me see if I can show you how thick. You can't really see, but take my word for it. This is a pretty good piece of clothing. Man, look at this pattern though. People see this shit and they're like, man, oh, what an old ass piece of fucking clothing. Why don't you go buy some 3XLs or some Balenciaga tracks? I already bought those, and guess what? I didn't like them, and then I forgot to ship them out. And then they were sitting in my warehouse. Then I gave them away. Then I forgot to ship them in the giveaway winner. And I need to go buy another pair so I can give it to him. Bro, this is why I don't fuck with Balenciaga shoes. This is why. I always just forget. I forget about them. They're so forgettable. Everybody has them. Okay, next up we got this. This is heavy as fuck. It's summer. Why did I get this? Bro, what? This quality is insane. This is a St. Alexander tracksuit. I remember now. I remember. This thing is a beauty. Look at this, bro. Wait. This is so thick I can't even put her down on the table. Holy. But I think I gotta wash it because this is like, I got this as a medium. This is a fucking large size. Let me get the sweatpants too. So if you're wondering how I ship this thing, I had to ship this out separately in its own parcel. That's how heavy this is. This is probably like 4 kg right here of clothing. So yeah, very heavy, very good price, but I don't know if it's like, I'd recommend it unless you really want it because shipping is gonna be a bitch. But yeah, just look at this, bro. This is sick. Get that, get that, get that, get that. That's hard. Again, right over here, St. Alexander tag. And man, I love everything about this. Open, not cuffed. I know people had a phase like 2 months ago where everyone was hating on cuffed sweatpants. A guy like me, I was never on cuffed sweatpants because I was wearing jeans and shit. So yeah, you guys are low-key late. Yo, I'll put that graph up when you liked it, when I liked it. Bitch. Alright, next up we got this pair of pants from a Chinese brand called Madwich. And these are sick, dude. So, whoa, I think I got the wrong way. Oh, these are from Vuja Dé, sorry. Those are probably in the next haul, but these are from Vuja Dé. They're like tech pants. They're like water repellent and shit. Yeah, not much to say. Cool pair of pants. If a lot of people just buy the same couple pants, like the Acne Studios and whatever, if you want some good pants that are like, you know, not mainstream, that not everybody else has, then look into some stuff like this. Just look how wide these are. And obviously you know where to get these. Over on my spreadsheets, link will be in the description, repfinds.co. That's the website where you can go and find all these links. Of course, make sure to shop on AC by the best agent in the game. Don't even have to say that. Come on, boys. But yeah, very nice pair of pants. I'm curious to see how these fit, especially with this tight of a waist. I'm probably gonna have to wear them like high up. I guess that's how you're supposed to wear them, like seeing just the size and the cut. But yeah, nice item. Good material as well. This is also cotton. It's like a chino, like if you've ever had chinos, it's that same material. Alright, next up we got the biggest package in this haul. Let me get a knife. I hate doing that because I don't know if I'm actually gonna cut it underneath. Oh, I know what this is. There's only one brand that does this, and it's Goyard. Come on, everybody who's bought retail Goyard knows this little yellow bag or wrap. So you get the straps on the side, and then inside the bag you get the bag itself. So dude, look at this. This thing is beautiful. My god. The inside pocket, Goyard, Harris. Look at that, bro. The shape right now, obviously there's nothing in it. It hasn't been broken in yet, so it's gonna look a little funky, but look at that thing, bro. Such a beautiful bag. Goyard. Oh my god, absolutely lovely. So this strap goes from here to here if you want to wear it kind of like a duffel bag. That's just like an extra accessory they throw in there for you, just like the real one. And yeah, overall, man, it has a bit of a Chinese factory smell, and honestly, I've gotten really unlucky with these because the last one that my boy bought did not have the smell. This one just happens to have it, which kind of sucks, but it does wear out. It's like the fake leather smell because this is actually leather. I don't know if it's real leather, but it has that, like, you know, leathery smell to it. Whatever, like they call it like a leatherette, like that vegan shit. I don't know. So inside of this bag, you can probably fit like 8 dildos depending on size. If you're going like big, probably 8. But you can probably fit a bunch of little ones in here. I'd say close to like 30, 40, maybe even 50 if you hold the bag up like this. So pretty good amount of space in here. I know I just called these basic as fuck, but bro, everybody's gonna have them. These things are dirt cheap nowadays. You can get a really good batch for like 30 bucks. And they have this cool fake wash on them. This like all printed This is all printed. When I first saw these, I'm not gonna lie, I thought this was like actually chains that came with it. That's why I ended up buying these. But then when I looked at the QCs, I was like, oh shit, like it's all fake. Like it's just all printed. But still, nonetheless, very cool piece. It's not thick like the Acne Carpenters I got last time. Those were a beast. But you see here, really good material choice. Like this is very, very good material. Man, you know, usually I think last haul, I probably went like 7 or 6 for 10 on the material. Every single item in this haul has been crazy material, crazy thick, and the prices, like that St. Alexander sweatsuit was probably like $60. That's probably like $100 worth of cotton. I don't know shit about cotton prices. But yeah, this, very, very solid item, especially for the price. All right, next up, I think this is another pair of Acne's. Oh no, this is the Steve denim from Vuja Dé. And man, just feel the quality. I'm not even gonna say anything. I think you guys already know. Holy, the Vuja Dé piece is just crazy with the quality, bro. And I don't know what this is, but this is probably like G-string holders. Like if you wanna tighten your G-string or something inside of your pants. Cut that out. No. Anyways, taking a look at the back, you got this black tag that says nothing on it. On the back, we got a black tag. Look at that aura, bro. It doesn't even say anything. You're just, if you know, you know. Bro, I just noticed how dirty my computer is on camera. What the fuck? You can see every particle of dust. Okay, anyways, it has distressing on it right over here. Not a lot of distressing. I've actually seen someone in the rep community, a friend of mine, he got a Dremel and actually like went and distressed his denim by hand. It was some crazy shit. Like I know some of you guys out there are actually like hella into this shit, so I fuck with that. I'm trying to get more into like non-hype beast or like streetwear fashion, because I feel like that's what I've been wearing for the longest time. But with shit like this, like that's my plan. But you can see beautiful, look at the wash on that. If you know that one pair of denim I got like 7 videos ago, it had the same wash and I wore the fuck out of those. I wore those to China both times I went and wore them. Like I'd not wash them for like days and just keep wearing the same pants. Like I can't even lie. I fuck with those pants so heavy. But you think it's gonna close? Yo, I gotta do this shit for the video. Oh fuck, I shouldn't put all of it back in the bags. If you're wondering what's back in the bags, these TikToks ain't gonna make themselves, boy. But anyways, you can see here, I got almost the entire haul inside of this Goyard bag other than some items. And yeah, overall, man, this haul has been, I'd say, 10 out of 10, bro. Every single item in here, banger after banger. You already know, bro. Make sure to go. Link will be in the bio. Make sure to cop. Everything will be on the spreadsheet. AC buy links also in the bio. You get $300 in free coupons if you sign up with the link in my bio. How many times have I said it in my bio? I don't even know, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you boys next time. Peace.